Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a minute. If you are new here, I am Sha'Naya O'Shea. Welcome in. Today we're going to be doing another Temu haul. I'm so excited about this package because I'm going on vacation. So all of this stuff is like spring, summer stuff, vacation items. I'm gonna be unboxing this package with you guys, and I also have some other items that I ordered. I want to say in April. It's June, so most likely in April for the trip. Everything will be linked down below. If you are a new user, you can get a $100 bundle code when you go through the link and download that. We're gonna go ahead and get into this. I'm very excited. I received this like 3 days ago and I've been itching to open it up, but I wanted to open it with you guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Can I rip this or do I need some scissors? I think I can rip it. There we go. I don't know how, but they got it in here. All right, so the first thing on top is this bag. I'm gonna have the names and the prices on the screen because I cannot remember off the top of my head. I ordered this a couple weeks ago. This bag is in the shade khaki. Take this out. It's a little stuck. There we go. So it comes with a strap. This is how it looks up close. So when I go on vacation, I really don't want to take big purses. So I feel like this is the perfect size. It doesn't open up a lot, which I'm not really a fan of. I wish it opened up just a little bit more. But this is, I hope y'all can see, this is the amount of space that is on the inside. And I feel like that's a good amount of space. I'm not about to have a lot of stuff in here. I think this is very cute for a vacation bag. And it's long, so you can have it on the shoulder or crossbody. Yeah, this is real cute. I'm definitely taking this with me. First item, this cute little bag is a 10 out of 10, okay? I love it. The next thing I picked up was this shirt, this pink shirt. Let's see how it's looking. This is cute. It's a little funky. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little funky, but nothing a little wash can't fix. Really, really cute. I gotta cut these. I don't know. Oh, is this a part of the shirt? I don't know what these little thingies are, but I'm gonna cut them off once I get off camera. I feel like this is giving vacation vibes. Cute little shirt. I have no idea what bottoms I'm gonna wear with this. Just from like looking at it right here, I'm gonna give it a 9.5 out of 10. I have no idea why these little things are showing. That's why I'm giving it a 9.5 out of 10. Cause like, why is this showing? Why is this right here? And this should be in a size small. Ooh, these are cute. Just look at them in the bag. These are so cute. If you know me, you know, I'm a girly girl. I love clothes, I love shoes, I love bags. I just love being a girl. So this stuff really excites me. So I have a new pair of sandals, and right here it's saying a size 38. I'm gonna have a size on the screen because I don't know, is that an 8 or a 7? I wear a 7 or a 7.5, but I may have gotten an 8 in these. I don't know, but I'll have it on the screen along with the name and the price. So I just got this gold sandal, and I think these are so freaking cute. I'm giving these a 10. These are cute and they literally fit perfectly. I actually don't know when we went to go get the passport, but my aunt bought my passport, so you know, I'm extra. I had to get the little case, and I decided to get this color pink. So cute. So I'm actually gonna get my passport. I'm actually gonna get my passport right now and put this in there. My freaking picture look crazy. The night before, I was crying I was a little sad. So my eyes, when I had woke up in the morning, we went early in the morning, and my eyes was puffy. Child, it don't look horrible, but it don't look good either. Like, I really want to redo. Isn't this cute? So got the color pink. They had blue, green, I'm pretty sure they had black. They had tons of colors, but I was like, I want pink. The next thing I picked up, I'm pretty sure this is my anklet. It's so cute. So it has seashells and different beads. This is so cute. I have my real anklet on my right ankle. I'm gonna put these on my left ankle. This is how it looks up close. This is so cute. Here we go. We got the milky white. We got it in white. We got it in the shade white. Oh, and wait. Also, this is the one that I ordered, I want to say in April with my bikinis and stuff. I got it in the shade black. So now we have black, white, and blue. And I got both of these in extra small because I want it to fit like a glove. This color will most likely be gray. And y'all know, I'm gonna try them on for y'all because I just love how they look, okay? I love how my body looks in this dress. Like, you literally see my little curves, my little butt. I'm very small, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna take the black dress, but I'm definitely leaning towards taking the white because I want to look like a nice glass of milk, okay? And honestly, I don't know if I'm gonna do it, but I may pair it with this bag. I don't know. Or I may add some color. 10 out of 10. This is definitely one of my favorite products in Temu. The next item that I picked up is this green dress. I've been seeing this literally all over Instagram. They have the long version and the short version. I decided to get the short version, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of scared. I really hope that it looks good on me. I looked at the reviews and I saw a girl that looked to be like my size, very small, and it looked good on her. So I'm hoping that it looks good on me too. Got this cute green color. Is my booty finna be hanging out? I don't want my booty to be hanging out. This green is beautiful. I feel like when you go on vacation, you should definitely have colors. Beautiful colors, pinks, yellows, orange, greens, all types of colors, not just black and white. That's basic. I'm very scared. I hope that when I put it on and y'all see it, and you know, we put it on together and we both see it, I hope that I like it. I hope that it looks good. If not, then it'll be staying home, but I definitely want to take it with me. We're gonna see, because I don't like looking crazy. I like to look good. So if it look a mess, then I won't take it with me. Temu has some really cute accessories. So I picked out some earrings. What is this? I'm gonna start off with the earrings. So I have 3 new pairs of earrings and I'm so excited. So if this dress looks good, 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna pair it with these earrings. These are so cute. These look like some top quality earrings. Like, would you think that these came from Temu? I wouldn't, honestly. They're so cute. I got my mirror right here, so I'm gonna just try them on and see how they look. And my hair will not be like this. Imagine me with some knotless braids. Knotless braids will most likely be the style that I have when I go on vacation. Bro, do y'all see this? This is cute. This is so cute. Do y'all see them? They are so freaking cute. I give these a 10 out of 10. It definitely will be in my bag. I'm definitely taking these. So now we got a gold pair. Let's see how these look. I like it. I like the earrings. Definitely. Really cute. Oh, you know what? I think I know what this is. I think this goes around my belly. These two go around my belly. The last piece of jewelry that I picked up were these stud earrings. I love stud earrings. It's very simple, very cute. They come in different sizes. I literally don't have any. All of mine are gone. My ears are currently bare, so we're just gonna put in a pair of the stud earrings. This is how the earrings look. Very simple and cute. All right, so I have 3 more items to show you guys. So we're gonna get into the bikini. So right now I just have 2 bikinis, and this is in a size small. So I decided to get this cute pink bikini, and this is how the top looks. I think it's so cute and it looks so nice on. Here is the bottoms. And here is the green one. That's how it looks up close. I really love this green color. And here are the bottoms. And here is the last item, which is a cover up. So I got it in the shade white. I'm not sure if I'm gonna take this with me. I don't know. I'll have to see. But it fits nice. I think it's a nice cover up. I don't like how this looks. Like, it just looks weird. So overall, I am pleased with my order from Temu. Literally love everything that I picked up. I will definitely be taking these items with me to my destination. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so you can see me in these items. Stay tuned for the vacation vlog, because I definitely will be vlogging while I'm out there and enjoying myself. Everything will be linked down below if you're interested in any of the items that I picked up. I will have another haul coming out most likely next month, because I have been adding some more stuff to my cart. So stay tuned for that. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I do upload, so you do not miss the next haul, so you can see what I pick up to take with me. Once again, new app users, use my code. Go through that link and download the app, use my code, and you can get the $100 bundle code. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I apologize for being away. Your girl has literally been getting her life together and everything is going good. I'm just literally grinding and working hard to get things in order, but I promise I will be back consistent very, very soon. So definitely stick around if you're new. Once again, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, I will see you all in my next video.